Welcome to our review of the Hillman 5-inch Kickdown Door Stop, a reliable solution for securing doors. This door stop features a ribbed rubber foot that provides enhanced traction to prevent slipping and maintain position. Installation is effortless with included mounting screws, allowing you to set it up quickly and securely. The Kickdown design locks the doorstop upright to avoid interference with door movement and holds doors firmly open. Made with heavy-duty materials, this doorstop is built for durability and everyday use. Its dual functionality lets you easily switch between holding doors open and locking the stop in place. Choose this sturdy door stop for dependable, hassle-free door control in any space. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.